Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, we congratulate you on your confirmation as the President-elect. As the President, you'll be the saber of national unity. We urge you to be a leader of all Kenyans, regardless of their political, ethnic, or religious leanings, by demonstrating in word and deed justice and equality. We are praying for you that God will enable you to inspire confidence, dignity, and grace for all Kenyans. We also have a message to President Uhuru Kenyatta. Your Excellency, we congratulate and appreciate you as you conclude your term as the President. You have led the nation over the last 10 years, during which Kenyans experienced peace and great leaps in development.
My dear brothers and sisters, and all people of goodwill, wherever you are, we heartily thank you for the democratic maturity we have manifested this year by actively and peacefully participating in the 2022 elections. Your commitment to peace and national cohesion is commendable. And I repeat, your commitment and peace and national cohesion is commendable. Having elected those who will be our leaders for the next 5 years, let us now focus on energies, on holding them to account so that they deliver justice and faithful implementation of the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, as well as policies and strategies and plans.
And now is a message to all elected leaders. Dear brothers and sisters, we congratulate you on your election to the position that you now hold, whether as member of County Assembly, member of National Assembly, woman representative, member of National Assembly, senator or governor. You have desired a noble thing by seeking to be a leader in our nation. We now urge you to take seriously the responsibility Kenyans have bestowed on you. Do not destroy our nation through corruption and selfish gains. Rather, in humility and sense of service, focus on wholesome development of the nation.